Hello, good morning. This is Josie from Finest Laya. Today I'm going to make a ginger peach tea. This is our tea. It consists of black tea, black Ceylon tea, a blend of Assam and ginger, ginger pieces, and peach flavoring. Let's begin. So this is about 2 teaspoons. Pour our hot water. I could already smell the peach flavoring, and we're going to steep it for about 2 to 3 minutes. It's fall season and it's getting cooler now, although today is a beautiful day, blue sky, sunny, temperature of about 72 degrees Fahrenheit. It's a very nice weather, conducive for walking and maybe working in the garden. And we just came back from our walk around the block, and it is time for a cup of tea. So here we are. The ginger has been used for a lot of blends in teas, herbal, both herbal and black teas. And ginger is really a very versatile herb. It's very good for ailments, for cold symptoms. You can brew this tea and enjoy it, and it soothes your throat, soothes the sore throat. Let's try to stir the tea. It is so fragrant. There we go. And we are going to pour it into our cups. So beautiful. See, the color of the tea is maroon almost. This time I'm not going to put any milk, but I'm going to flavor with honey. It's honey from our garden, from our beehive. I'm gonna put about half a teaspoon. Another one. So fragrant. Just robust black tea with the flavoring. It's very stimulating. I'm going to ask my husband to come and share with me this ginger peach tea. Ned?
Yo!
Tea time! Side. There we go. Hello, say hello to our viewers.
Hello viewers, how are you today? It is really, really good to see you. And just like Josie said, it's fall here. It's getting a little bit cool at night. It's all still green outside, but the leaves are starting to change. We have a big poplar tree out back, and its leaves are starting to litter the yard. Lets us know that that time is coming. It's very nice.
That's right.
And right now we're celebrating a tea time with you. And yesterday we celebrated 35 years of marriage. There you go. And what better way to celebrate such an occasion than having a little bit of ginger peach tea. I wouldn't normally think of ginger and peach making a nice combination with Assam tea, but it actually is very nice. And we have, Josie's got it mixed up here for us, and let's have some.
So, we are going to have it with ginger snaps. And here is yours, and here is mine. Here's the napkin. So in the I mentioned in the last video that I'm going to give you the recipe for my version of ginger snaps. And so in the description below, I'm gonna write the recipe for you. Hope you will make it and enjoy it with your family, with your tea, enjoy it with your friends, and with other teas that you may have. So, cheers.
Cheers, let's have it. And have a little something to share with you. I already had a ginger snap. And it was
This is
good.
your second.
And I'm lucky to be having the second one. Man, oh wow. Wow, wow, wow.
It's so good, and I'm going to dunk.
This is not
So good.
dunking so much as a complimentary munch.
We just have to do it in a way that it doesn't so into the cookie.
Yep.
And so the trick, you always have to
Tricks in the dunk.
gauge the emulsion between the tea and the cookie.
The absorption rate.
That's right. That's right. Anyway, this is all for now, and do take good care of yourselves. If you are in North America, enjoy your, or in other countries who are
Northern Hemisphere.
right, northern hemisphere, enjoy the fall season, the cool weather, and
cup of tea with a ginger snap.
Right. And if you
Or
enjoy,
two.
if you enjoy watching our tea blogs, do subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you are prompted if there is a new blog. Comment and let us know how you like it, and if you have any comments, we can always or questions, we can always answer whatever queries that you have. Anyway, enjoy your day, and
Tea.
tea
Cookie.
and cookie. Goodbye from us today, and you'll be seeing us again. Bye.